everybody, we have here a vote. Of course, our candidates will pick the name of the judge who will ask them their question. Good evening, candidate number 1.
Hello, sis. Good evening. How do you feel tonight?
Yeah, exactly. I want to ask the same question. How do you feel tonight?
Well, I feel so beautiful because my boyfriend is always supporting me tonight. Daddy, thank you so much. Thank you so much for coming. Oh my God. See you later.
Okay. Alright, so I believe nakapick na si Miss Jamaica Shufa sa iyong judge.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, my judge for tonight is one of the best designers from Negros Oriental. Edgar Filosofo.
Alright, Mr. Edgar Filosofo.
Good evening, Kawa.
Not a girl. My band.
My podcast.
Um,
Are you ready? Candidate number 1.
of course, I am here in front of you, so I am ready.
Okay, your question is, I will read the question twice, so listen very carefully. Your question.
Sige jud ka tayo nga itong technical difficulties si candidate number 1. But to support her, let's give her a round of applause, everybody!
What happened? My God. Well, it's okay.
So can we get a hint or a clue na lang kung asa si Daddy tonight galing ko? Asa siya dapit?
Well, over there, hello Daddy, thank you so much for always supporting me. And of course, tomorrow is my mom's sorry.
Wow! Advance happy monster. Ikapila na ni ka match.
Actually, I think this is the last one.
Ayun po. We're hoping for more years, ha?
For 3 months now.
3 months! Wow! We're hoping for more months and years for you guys. Para next year.
That's why everyone, my band, Kanhay.
Alright!
Okay, sorry for that. Okay, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Alright, your question is, many people still associate HIV only with LGBTQIA+ community. As a candidate tonight, what is your message to break that harmful mindset? Again, many people still associate HIV only with LGBTQIA+ community. As a candidate tonight, what is your message to break that harmful mindset?
Well, ladies and gentlemen, as an LGBTQIA+ community, I am proud to say that I am HIV awareness that I am HIV non-reactive last week. So my message to all that stigma about HIV, well, ladies and gentlemen, HIV affects people regardless of gender or orientation. Education and empathy must well, ladies and gentlemen, education and empathy must involve in our society. Because I believe HIV is a health issue, not a moral one. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen.
Thank you so much, candidate number 1. Grabe, she is indeed very witty and aware. Alright!
Nagpa-dance din si Ate Cha. Kamu po, pa-dance mo. Okay, now let's welcome candidate number 2, Miss Scott Walford. How are you, Scott?
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Good evening, I am good. How about you? How are you?
Doing fine.
It's good to know.
Can you give me your friends out here?
Hello, everyone. Hello, classmates. Hello, teachers. Hello, mabuhay.
Well, it was mentioned in one of her credentials that one of her hobbies is doing roping with the Kanding Squad. My question is the Kanding Squad present tonight?
Wala pa. Kay karoon pa na sila. Alas 2 sa Kadlawon. Sa bagay. Diba? Kandi. Correct.
So I believe kauban mo sila later
Hi, candidate number 2. Good evening.
Good evening, me.
Okay, my question is, with the rising number of transgender individuals self-medicating with hormones due to lack of access or stigma, what are the potential dangers of this practice and how can society better support safe and informed transitions? Do I need to repeat the question? Okay. With the rising number of transgender individuals self-medicating with hormones due to lack of access or stigma, what are the potential dangers of this practice and how can society better support safe and informed transitions?
Okay, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. As a part of LGBT community, a lot of transgender women in here is self-medicating. You know guys, self-medicating is very dangerous. But the problem is our government in here. Our government in here is not providing us or see what we are and what capable we are. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope someday we are seen and we are more capable of what we are. That's what we all. Thank you.
Wow, thank you so much. Grabe, ka mga bright sa atong candidates tonight.
Balik ka sa po.
Di ba, gahangan ko actually. Ganils ko ha, pero my God. They are, of course, gifted.
And ang nasunod, balik mo kaasa na po.
Super and very beautiful. Good evening, Anita. Hi, good evening. How are you?
I'm not feeling good. I'm actually not feeling well.
Why?
As you can see that my skin is not in good condition. Wala siyang mapanas because lack of rest.
Wow, but you still came.
Yeah, I have to. Laban lang!
Correct. Dili mo na ni ang kuani ang kulang mo pahuway.
Yeah.
She looks so fresh. Do you agree, guys? Right. So nice to see you, person. Oh, okay.
I know.
All right. Your judge will be
Dr. Mandex and Bikoy.
all right.
Hi, Bob.
Hi po.
Okay. If beauty fades and fame disappears, what part of yourself would you be most proud to keep and why?
Well, if beauty fades, I could say that I am the most proud of about my soul because that lives in there. True beauty comes from within, as I believe that outer beauty attracts, but inner beauty captivates. Thank you, and I have spoken.
Brilliant and concise, ladies and gentlemen, Miss Anita Alcala.
Super short, but super sweet and concise. I love that.
Let's welcome candidate number 4, Miss Gypsy Gasso. Round of applause, please.
Kani kay balik ni Tisa.
Bidako kong sawag kitang Gypsy. Grabe. Hi, yes.
Hello, ma'am. Super sexy.
Thank you.
And you look glowing. Are you inspired?
Well, actually, to tell you honestly, inspiration or being inspired for me is something that I have gone through, especially now that I've been in a heartbreak, and I didn't set this as a roadblock. Instead, I put this as a detour for a greater destination.
Yes. Dapat,
Correct.
dapat isa magpadalas mga ipagbati ang kagulog ka sakit.
Yes.
Padayon ka kung asa sa malipay. Ato gulong ang kalipay.
Asa na
Choose to be free by Mama Roden.
Asa daw kay Justin ang kalipay? Oh, say wala.
Yes,
Sige,
yes,
go. Your judge is
Miss Sandy Somoza.
Miss Cindy Somoza.
Hello, Ma'am Cindy. Good evening. Good evening, candidate number 4. Are you ready for your question? Well, I have to be. Alright, so here's your question. You win this crown tonight, but someone claims you don't deserve it. Do you defend yourself or let your actions speak for you? Again, you win this crown tonight, but someone claims you don't deserve it. Do you defend yourself or let your actions speak for you? Good evening once again. crown is not all about just giving effort, showing off your body, your talent, but we have been through a lot. We practiced a lot every night and every day. And if I win tonight and someone is not happy with it, I will accept it wholeheartedly. I will accept it constructively, because those ways I will correct myself and I will always respect their decision, because we are here not just for positive feedback. We should always accept negative feedback, because in that way we can turn it into a motivation for us to do more and be better. And always remember never to throw hate and loathe, because we should always put kindness in every way, because kindness doesn't hurt, it heals. A little kindness can go a long way. And if we can do this, alone I can do so little, but together we can do so much. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Ms. Gypsy Gasso. And yes, truly, I am for constructive criticism, okay? Yes. It's always good to give feedbacks, but it should be constructive. Come on.
Yes, I think learning and knowing how to accept constructive criticism is such a huge symbol of being professional and being deserving of the title that they will surely bring home tonight. And Justin, I believe we are down to our last candidate. Let's call on candidate number 5.
Ms. Jen Ryan Retes. Grabe, kani siya yun. Pag-abot din kanina, grabe ang energy. Murang siya ko lang ng energy.
Tungkol sa Alcape, daghang salamat.
Wow, special mention, Alcape. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you so much. Are you ready for your question?
I have to be, yes.
Let's go. The last one. And it is... Who's your judge? She will be asking your question.
Yes. The very creative, intelligent, the handsome man of Bayase, Judge Edgar Manzano. Edgar Philosopher. Good evening, Sir Edgar.
Good evening, John Ray, right?
John Ryan.
John Ryan.
Your honor.
Right. Your question is, would you rather live in a world where everyone is accepted but no one is unique? Or a world where everyone is unique but judged for it? Again, your question is, would you rather live in a world where everyone is accepted but no one is unique? Or a world where everyone is unique but judged for it?
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I will get straight to the point in my answer. We are living in diversity. So I'd rather choose no one is accepted and somebody is unique. Am I right? I do believe, ladies and gentlemen, we have our individuality. We people are born to be unique. We are born to be someone that no other can compare to us. We are individuals that are capable. We have differences and we do excel in our differences. So ladies and gentlemen, we are living in a world that are lots of judgmental people. So there's nothing wrong with that. Let them be. Let them judge you. But you should have to think to yourself that you are beautiful, you are unique, no matter what they say. That I thank you.
What an answer. Thank you so much, Ms. John Rai. Truly, we shouldn't compare ourselves to others because again, we are unique individuals. Yes.